Welcome to another episode of Omnisend's Daily Tip Series, where in roughly 3 minutes or less, we'll give you actionable tips and ways to improve your email and SMS marketing programs and make you better marketers. Now, yesterday, I talked about other types and styles of forms you can use. Today, let's talk about ensuring the pop-up is conversion ready. The first thing you want to do is make sure the pop-up can easily be closed by the subscriber if they don't want to complete the form. Check to see if it's easy to find the close button. Second, test the pop-up on multiple browsers and phones. This includes using different text sizes on phones. Myself, my eyes are terrible. The text size I use is much different than my wife's, but this can make pop-ups frustrating for me. While you don't have to be able to account for every situation, do your best. Third, do offer an incentive. This is the most common tactic for e-commerce brands, and it makes sense. After all, they're on your site because they're looking for something. Offering an incentive can help you increase sign-up rate, but don't feel you need to offer one to have success. Language as simple as sign up and never miss another deal may be all that's needed. If you do offer an incentive, be sure to test it. I worked with companies in the past that tested incentives and found that some larger incentives actually converted worse. Don't give away profit if you don't need to. Fourth, you may want to ensure your pop-ups are ADA compliant. This is an under-talked about topic, but it is growing. Using ADA compliant forms will help you prevent any legal obstacles that may present themselves down the road. And finally, make sure the information is being added to your email provider after submission. After all, what good is collecting the information if it disappears in cyberspace? It's that simple. Now go get them. Thanks for tuning in to another episode of the Marketing Tip Series. Feel free to let me know if you have any questions, and until next time, happy marketing.